I have some mukbangs, I have some vlogs, I have some cooking and some talks. I need you to like, I need you to share, I need you to subscribe, please.
We about to do a candy review, a candy review. All right, so we got some man Oreo. Know what I'm saying? You got that man Oreo. All right, you know what I'm saying? Say no, I'm joking. That sounds like a girl skin right there, but I was about to spill all over the floor. We got that. Heat is that sweet and heat. You know what I'm saying? We got that sweet and heat. So that's the rolling chair. I'm trying to make sure like it looks perfect. I'm on my head. Alright, there we go. Cause y'all couldn't see my head. So you know what I'm saying? We got the sweet and heat Skittles. Lord, my shepherd, I sure know what it may be. I hope this is nourishing to my body for anybody and everybody whoever made this. I hope you did it good and amen. That's good. So we got that man Oreo. Try this man Oreo. I broke it in half for the video. Oh, let me do my thumbnail. Alright, let's try this sweet and heat. I mean, not the sweet. I mean, man Oreo. It's alright. It's alright. Now, second, I got a water. Hold up. There you go. Alright, so let's try this. Let me tell you the flavors for the Skittles. So we have a lemon spark. We have blazing mango. We have sizzling strawberry. Flaming orange, and we got we have, and we have fiery watermelon. Alright, so I'm about to eat all these at once. Know what I'm saying? Yeah. Pretty good. I like it. Got a little bit of heat to it. Sorry if I'm acting like I'm extra, but it hurts. Like it's the lemon sparkle, like lemon sparkle. It's itchy right there. Go look at B Love. Go look at Lehman's Productions. Comment down below if y'all want to see my brother anime. How y'all feeling about this? Comment down below. Yeah, shout out to Lehman's Production. Shout out to 7 Lex Ferry. She beat us in every single challenge. That's kind of messed up. But we're doing a review right now, so why are we talking about challenges? So, yeah. So, my school day has been fine. Pretty good. We had conferences and we have report cards. My report cards look pretty good. This looks okay. We had conferences. My mom and dad went there. Me and my brother stayed home. Sorry, no, we didn't stay home. We went there. And yeah, how was y'all day? I don't know when y'all gonna get this video. Probably after tomorrow. But I don't know what day it is for you. Y'all can probably look at the video and see like it's coming out. Sorry, but look at that nice mint. Look at that nice juicy mint right there. Big nibble. Woo! Go check out some of our videos. If y'all new, subscribe, hit that little bell. And yeah. Hit that little bell. Subscribe, hit that little bell. And yeah. Hit that bell, hit that big fat Gucci looking cool looking bell looking thingy over there on that side. Yeah, the link is in the description below. And comment down below if y'all want to see my brother anime. Because he said in his last video, so I gotta bring it back up and put it in this video. Cause y'all already know what it is. You already know. Security's back again with another banger. Okay. Mom needs to edit that, but okay. That's not the point. So bye guys. Have a great day. Enjoy the rest of your day. And we out. Peace.
Hey guys, remember, like, subscribe, share this video with everyone you know. Let them know what Queen of Trades and the MKW crew is doing over here. Till the next time. Bye.
I had some mukbangs. I have some vlogs. I have some cooking and some talks. I need you to like. I need you to share. I need you to subscribe, please.